We flew into Lima from Brazil and wasted no time and jumped straight on a bus to Trujillo. Trujillo is Peru's third largest city, located on the northwest coast. We explored the city for 3 days, taking in the stunning architecture and vibrant culture. We also visited Chan, the largest pre-Columbian city in South America, and hit the beach at Huanchaco, where we tried some epic ceviche. Alright everyone, we have now arrived in Trujillo after our 12-hour bus journey from Lima, and now we are in the Plaze de Armas.
By the way, this is the first Plaze de Armas in our Peru trip. So fun fact about Trujillo. Trujillo is the third largest city in Peru, and it is the first city that gained independence from Spain. There you have it.
Alright, so let's go have a look around.
Let's go.
Plaze de Armas is dotted with palm trees and surrounded by beautiful buildings. It is a great place to take in the atmosphere and people watch. While we're there, we're lucky enough to catch a cultural performance of some traditional Peruvian dance. Alright guys, we're now at the Cathedral de Trujillo, and it's big, it's yellow, and it's just off the Plaze de Armas, so you can't miss it. It's super beautiful inside, so let's go check it out. The cathedral was built in 1666 after the original building was destroyed in an earthquake in 1616, and if you're in the area at night time, make sure you pop back in, as the cathedral looks stunning all lit up at night.
Alright everyone, now we're at Mercado Central and we're gonna walk around and see what we can find.
Mercado Central is a busy local market. Here you will experience a sensory overload of sight, sound and smell. The market has local fresh produce, homeware and food stalls. This is a great place to try some local dishes and immerse yourself in the local culture. Alright, so we've now ordered some food in the market here, and I got a dish that the lady called pollo babita. So it's like chicken, rice, and some sort of, what is that?
Beans.
Some sort of beans and a little bit of salad. So let's dig in and see what it's like. There's no knife here, so I gotta improvise. Oh, there's a knife. I've cut it now. Let's try it out. Big scoop here. It's really good. It's been like, it's got some sauce. It's been cooked in some sort of sauce. I don't know what the...
Stew.
Yeah, some sort of stew. It's delicious. And also, I ordered juice. I have no idea what is in this juice, but I'm going to give it a try now and let's see. I think it's orange.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, it's not.
Mixed fruits or something?
I don't know what it is. You try it. What is that?
Can't tell what it is. Like,
It's not very sweet, is it?
no, it's not sweet. It's like tropical fruit kind of thing.
Yeah. So anyway, juice.
Juice.
Alrighty, so we've finished our lunch now, and that juice ended up being apple juice, but it wasn't as sweet as like apple juice that I've had before, so I couldn't quite put my finger on what it was. But anyway, that meal cost 11 soles. That is super cheap. So that's like 2 dishes, a bottle of Inca Cola and some juice. Like, that is so cheap. Anyway, we're going to keep moving and we'll speak to you later. Alright, so we're now on our way to Chan Chan, which is an archaeological site just outside of Trujillo, and to get there we're catching a colectivo. So if you don't know what a colectivo is, it's a shared van that kind of drives backwards and forwards on the same route, and you can jump on and jump off along that route. So we'll see you in Chan Chan.
See ya! Alright, we made it to the entrance of Chan Chan. So the bus dropped us at the side of the road, and it cost 2 soles per person to catch the bus. And now we have about 1.4 kilometers to walk to the site.
Alright, so we'll see you there.
See you there. Alright, we got our ticket here. It's 10 soles per person, and with this ticket it gives you the access to the museum and the other 2 sites in the area.
Cool,
So
let's go explore this place.
Let's go!
Chan Chan is a 20 square kilometer pre-Columbian city and capital of the Chimu civilization. The city is made entirely of mud brick with intricate details carved into the walls. The area that is open to the public is called Palacio Nic An. The first area you'll enter is Plaza Principal, a big open square that was used for public gatherings and ceremonies. The next area is all undercover to protect it from erosion, and it is the most impressive on the site. Here there are loads of buildings with geometric shapes and animals carved onto them. It's really unique and really impressive stuff. All of this was built by the Chimu civilization.
Hi, do you know that Chan Chan is the largest mud brick city in the world? I can't imagine that.
Alright, I think we're pretty much finished here. This place is absolutely huge. So when we're walking in, that whole 1.4 kilometers along the road is all surrounded by ruins along the way. And the site here is pretty big as well. It's surrounded by these giant walls, and all the buildings here have like incredible detail in them, pictures of animals and all this sort of stuff. Yeah, so this place is really cool, really unique. Glad we came out here. So now we're going to head off and go to the museum. So we'll see you there.
Alright, we are now at the Museo del Sitio Chan Chan.
Yeah, so the museum is not actually located within the archaeological area. You have to walk back out that 1.4 kilometers along the road, turn right and head back towards Trujillo, and then once you get outside of the archaeological zone, it's on your right. So yeah, it's quite a bit of a walk if you're walking. Anyway, we're going to go explore it now, and we'll see you later.
See ya.
so here's a map of Chan Chan. Let's see if we can find where we are. Oh, I know where it was, where we were. We were over here. So for you guys, it's right there, because you can see the big pond out the back. That's exactly where we were.
Yeah.
And then down here is the pyramid that we seen when we were walking up. Yeah. So there we go. It's absolutely huge. So we were just in that tiny little area there, that tiny little square here. And that's just a tiny portion of this entire huge city. Check out this hologram. It's like the future here. This is awesome, man. It's like magic. Look at that, like a Hello Kitty or something.
Chimu style.
Chimu Hello Kitty here. The Peruvian hairless dog here. Alrighty, so we're now finished in the museum. So it's not the biggest museum in the world, but it's free with your entry, so you might as well come here if you're walking anyways. So now we're gonna catch a bus back into Trujillo. In the evening, back in Trujillo, we were lucky enough to see a concert by what was called La Tuna Femenina, which is basically university students dressed in traditional university kit, and they basically travel around and sing traditional songs with traditional instruments. So there was ladies here from all over South America. It was really, really cool to see the traditional dance and music.
Hello everyone, we're at Huanchaco. So Huanchaco is a seaside village just outside Trujillo.
Yeah, so we caught the bus here this morning, the exact same bus you catch the Chan Chan, and now we're going to go eat some ceviche and explore. So let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, so Huanchaco is a fishing village and it's also famous for surfing. As you can see, there's a bunch of people out here surfing, and there's multiple places in town offering surf lessons. So it doesn't matter if you've got no experience or experience, you can come here and catch some waves and have a surf. Alright, so the fishermen here are famous for using these boats here that are made out of reeds or straw or something, and they ride them out and go fishing in the waves here. It's crazy. The waves are so rough, I don't know how they like survive out there.
It looks like a pair of shoes.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a pair of shoes. Alright guys, we're at a place called Punto Marino and we're here to try ceviche. And I'm going to try Peruvian ceviche for the very first time. So let's go. Whoa, it looks nice, right? This is mixto ceviche. Here we go.
Oh, that's really good. It's super, super sour. So if you've never had ceviche before, it's essentially raw seafood that's kind of marinated in lime juice and chili. Well, that's what it's like here in Peru. It's amazing. Oh my God, I'm gonna have more. Check it out.
What else do they have in this ceviche?
Like prawns, fish, squid.
Is that crab?
That looks like a crab's claw there. Hello. Yeah, amazing, amazing, amazing.
They have seaweed as well here.
Awesome. And we also got some mariscos with rice, so seafood rice, and that looks awesome as well.
Alright guys, we got some beach refreshment. So it's called raspadillas. So it's 5 soles for this one. So you can choose the flavor. They have the menu for you. So we got the strawberries and passion fruit. But you can't see the passion fruit colors because it's very glossy.
We should put the strawberry up first. And a tiny bit of backstory to this. We've seen lots of locals walking around with it. So we were like, we have to eat this, so we hunted it down, and then here we go.
Yeah, got every shop around the beach sell this.
Yeah.
So get one of these. I was just gonna check now.
It's like shaved ice with like some sort of topping on it.
The thing is very goopy. I mean, like it's not like a juice. It's like got pulps and everything in it.
It was very thick when she was pouring it on. It looked like jam when she was pouring it on.
Yeah, I'm gonna say like a looser than jam, but still thick. So good. So refreshing though. Now I can taste the maracuja flavor.
Which is passion fruit, FYI.
Yeah. Now, you want to try some?
Yeah, I'll give it a try. I'll transition around to here with the beautiful beach behind me. Alright, let's check this out. Oh shit. I nearly lost it. Oh, what a fail. I want to get a big spoonful. I want to properly try it. Check that out. Yeah, it's almost like strawberry jam on shaved ice. It's really good though. It is refreshing. It is very sweet. Good stuff. Alright, so if you're going to Huanchaco or Chan, you need to come to Overload Grau and catch a bus from here in the direction of Huanchaco. They have it on the front of the bus, and you catch it from here in front of this gas station here. And here there's a massive traffic circle with these 2 huge flyovers that go over the top. So look at that. So come here, stand in front of this gas station, and then you can jump on the buses. They'll run along this road here, and they'll say Huanchaco on massive writing along the front. They're usually red as well.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and stick around and check out the other videos in our Peru playlist.